So guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna do some CTF challenges on PicoCTF, the 2026. We're gonna do some general skill challenges based on the printer shares ones. So first and foremost, log into your PicoCTF. Then you come to the challenges, general skills. Choose the PicoCTF 2026. It's ended on the 19th. Search for printer shares, and you're gonna do this lab for today. So printer shares. The description is, oops, someone accidentally sent an important file to a network printer. Can you retrieve it from the print server? Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So actually, we first launch our instance. Then you can see for the hints, look at the hints. You can see knowing how SMB protocol works will be helpful. The second hint is SMB client and SMB util are good tools. So you can see our instances is already up. So the print is on the spot, so we can try and make our challenge open. So we come and copy this, come to our terminal and paste it there. Hit enter. As you can see, our challenge is open. So first and foremost, I'm now supposed to know how SMB client works and what is SMB. So SMB is the server message block. It's a network file sharing protocol that allows machines on the same network to share files, printers, and other resources. Okay, so it is the backbone of Windows network file sharing, and an SMB server exposes named resources called shares, and each share has a name. So in this challenge, you're gonna access it. So we're gonna use the tool called SMB client. This SMB client is a Linux command line tool which is used to interact with the SMB servers. So it's similar to an FTP client. So we're gonna use SMB client. uh, we come back to our terminal. So we type SMB client. Then we're gonna list the shares. So use the hyphen L. Then we specify our printer address. So we're gonna use this is the mysterious C PicoCTF. Then you specify a port. Then you're gonna log in anonymously. We're using the this parameter. So when you hit enter, you're gonna share the shares and what is on. So as you can see, we have a public share which we can access. So in order to access this, you're gonna use the same command but different at this time. So client, we're gonna list where we are. We want to list the shares. So there, then you hit enter. When you hit enter, you can see you have gotten some like a shell in SMB. You can type commands like ls to list the files, get to get files. So let's see what files we have in this folder. As you can see, we have two two text files. You have the dummy text and the flag.txt. As you can see, we can get the flag.txt using the command get. Okay, then we can exit this, and then when you list our files, you can see you have gotten the flag.txt. Now we can cut the flag to see its content. This is the first flag for today. Choose a simple challenge, which you needed to know what is an SMB and what SMB client does, uh, and listing files. That's only for today. On to the next one.